Well, if y'all don't recognize the spot, we're back at the tattoo shop.
I got hundreds on the way, I'm gon' ball. I got Balenciaga on my way, Prada for the draws. Stargazing in the rain, she gon' drop a jaws. You know we gon' ball, don't care what it costs.
Don's about to get me right real quick. And we have kind of a big idea for today. So this would be on the front, on the chest. This would be on the back. Kind of just a rough layout. You guys really just have to trust the process. John, that's kind of what you got to do. You got to trust the process. It's gonna turn out at the end. But we're about to touch some new territory today. I don't know how I'm feeling. We're about to get some of the ribs in, some of this in, some of this in. It's a whole lot of new territory for me, but I'm excited. I'm excited to see how it comes out. Not excited for the pain. We're gonna get it done today. How did I get myself in this predicament, guys? I don't know. Here, we're doing it though. I really did it to myself. I don't know why I'm acting like someone influenced my decision to get this tattoo. I just feel like once I started here, it just had to. It felt bare. It's kind of the vibe. This is just the stencil, obviously, so you're not gonna get the full effect of the tattoo, but this is the front half. We do have a back half. Probably not gonna do it today, but we do have the back half designed as well. Yeah, this is just the start of the body part. I don't know, a body sleeve. I don't know, filling on my torso, I guess. Before I get bandaged up, I had to show y'all the final result. I made it through, probably about 3.5 hours, but it was worth every second of it. So basically, we're gonna pick up on the next session and finish the back half, but from the front, I think it looks totally complete. What up, y'all? It's actually been a few days since I got tatted, and I'm not gonna lie, I am so itchy. Like, I'm ready to get this bandage off. Besides the itchiness, I'm glad to say that all the soreness is gone. A few days ago, I did wake up on my side, and I'll tell y'all, my ribs were so sore. But besides those like 1 or 2 days of just soreness, I feel blessed, and I'm ready to get this bandage off. So I can start healing it, and most importantly, start flexing it. For those that are wondering, as for the second part of this, because it is obviously an unfinished tattoo, I will be finishing it next month. I have my session booked already, and I'm mad excited to finish this joint off. Also, for those that get this type of derma skin for their post-tattoo, the best advice is pulling the skin back on one side, and then you could just peel this thing off with so much more ease. Oh, this part sucks. And we're done. So now I'm about to hop in the shower, get this like bandage residue off my skin, and start healing this tattoo the right way. Just gonna take care of this. What's up, y'all? I know this vlog's probably been all over the place, but I've got a very exciting update for you guys because I just got the email confirmation that my custom built PC is finally shipped. So I talked about it in the last vlog. It's finally coming in. I'm hoping it comes in soon so I can get a few shots for it in this vlog. Since that's coming in, I don't know how to say it. I spent more money. I said last vlog I spent like 4 grand. I spent another 2,000 because I mean, well, I just had a few ongoing projects going, and I don't want y'all to get it twisted. I'm definitely not rich. I don't have a lot of money. I have been saving well, but this is all due to just YouTube and you guys, honestly. But I did get some really cool stuff. One was a vlog camera. I got this new DJI Pocket 3, which will allow me to hopefully vlog a lot more, because this one right here, this camera, y'all, super heavy. It's hard for me to hold like this a lot, and I just don't like bringing it around places. Hopefully it doesn't drop the quality, but also allows me to film a lot more for you guys. Beyond that, I also got some pretty dope stuff to upgrade my desk setup. I got a new keyboard, a new mouse. I know in the last video I actually just got a new keyboard, but I'm gonna be returning this one because I found one even crazier. And then the final few things that I spent that money on was actually for my mom's room, because I've been working on building her dream room behind the scenes for like months at this point. And this project just finally needs to get finished so I can just put it out for you guys, give my mom a final finished dream room. And yeah, I guess that's how you spend that much money in no time. But everything that I bought, the amount of content that's gonna come from it, is just super exciting for me. And hopefully you guys are excited too, because you're gonna be seeing a lot more of this beautiful face. Now, for those that don't know, I do have a brand. I literally have my jersey framed up on the wall right now. And I won't lie, with the holidays, traveling, getting sick, really just doing a whole lot, I've kind of slacked on the brand, and that is no good. Now, let me tell you, I usually like to ship my orders out within a week. if not even faster. But I won't lie, I've definitely fallen behind a little bit on the orders, so that is something that I gotta do ASAP. So maybe I'll just get a few clips of me grabbing some of the stock and doing some of that brand stuff. If y'all do wanna buy a piece from my brand or support the brand, the link will be left in the description down below. Make sure to check it out. I don't know, I'm rambling at this point. Let's get to work. Yeah, it's about 10 a.m. And I was literally just doing some work sitting at my desk. Literally got an email that my PC delivered, but I didn't hear the doorbell ring or anything, so I guess we'll just go check it out. I don't see it delivered. Yeah, I don't see it nowhere. It is supposed to be delivered today, but that was just very odd. I don't know where I got that email. Man, that got me excited for nothing. Let me just check the tracking, because in transit, delivering today. Where was it delivered? Guys, just to give you all a little update, it's like an hour later. I'm in like limbo right now. I don't know. I'm kind of feeling like I got scammed. That sounds crazy, but essentially I ordered the PC and everything, and based off the tracking, it was shipped out Monday or Tuesday, and it got to my city like literally Wednesday. By 8 a.m. it had said can't be picked up at facility or something when it was supposed to deliver to my house. Got returned to the sender. So they gave me a new tracking label, and that new tracking label, basically it got re-delivered back to the PC company. Very confusing, but regardless, I called Purelator and I had to wait quite a while on the phone. They told me the PC company called them and said, yo, create a shipping label, send it back to us. They didn't give the reason as to why, but to me, that just sounds very sus. And so I sent them an email. Their phone lines don't open up till 11:30, and it's only 10:37, so I have to wait for about an hour, and I'm low-key stressing because I bought all this stuff and I have this new setup that I'm so excited to just start working on and start streaming and doing all this shit, and I can't do it without the PC. We're gonna try and figure it out in like an hour or so, and then kind of go from there. It's not looking good. Unfortunately, I'm gonna have to charge back and then buy a new PC, do this whole build process again, which is like just so stressful. Like, yeah, now I'm just waiting. So hopefully it turns out for the better. You know, I'm gonna keep a positive mindset here. I'll keep you guys updated. See y'all in a little bit. Yeah, so I'm back for another update, and I'm actually pretty excited because I just got in my new rug. So I'm literally about to set that up right now. But before I go ahead and pack up my old rug, I do want to kind of just give y'all an update on the whole PC situation. So the PC company did end up getting back to me. My computer did get delivered back to the factory. Within a few hours, they literally like opened up a new shipping label. So hopefully it comes in tomorrow or the next day over the weekend. I don't know. I'm hoping I can get it in this vlog though. But if not, I guess y'all will just see it in the next video. Regardless, y'all, let's go set up this new rug. Yo guys, so this is probably the final update of the video, but you can tell by my tone, I'm in a much better mood. I mean, not only is my desk setup finished, which you could probably tell by the fact that I'm filming at my new little setup that I got going for myself, but in addition to having my new PC, I also have some dope new projects in the works for you guys that I think would be pretty interesting. So you guys might be able to see in the background, but if not, I'm gonna get a few clips. I have a bunch of stuff over here, a new skateboard, some other things, because I'm changing this whole area back here for my stream, and I'm gonna be setting up a nice little art wall for my record player, as well as changing out my bed decor yet again, because spring is on the way, so that means I have to get my perfect dream room for springtime. That's probably one of the next few videos that you guys are gonna be seeing from me. I also mentioned earlier that I've been building my mom's dream room behind the scenes, and that is just about finished. That's another dope video that you guys are gonna be seeing pretty soon. But really what I'm most excited about now that I have my desk set up and everything finished in here is streaming. Now, streaming is something I've been wanting to do for like 2 years now, and I had actually made an attempt in the past. But now that I have this PC, I can stream so much more, from reacting to your guys' room setups and interacting with y'all a lot more. But I plan on teaching you guys editing on stream, playing video games, doing some dope IRL stuff. and even probably making a little bit of music. The possibilities are endless, and I'm so excited for what this new year has to come. Before I go, all I really want to ask you guys is, what would you like to see from me this year? Is it more vlogs, working out, diet stuff? You guys want to see more skincare, room decor stuff? Or are you guys just interested to see some streaming? Anyways, y'all, with that, I'm gonna let you guys go. Please make sure to leave a like and subscribe, because that just lets me know that you guys like this content and want to see more of it. As always, I love you guys so much, and thank you for all the support. I hope you have a great day. Peace.